Now, your Wyoming Link weather for Casper.
Thanks for tuning in. Wrapping up a week, wrapping up a month, and wrapping up a meteorological season today. Your Friday, February 28th, last day of meteorological winter. And in Casper, I'll have to see what the final number turns out. But at the airport for record keeping, may have lived in history in the Casper area, might have lived through your new #1 record meteorological winter with lowest snow. 10.5 inches, that's 37 inches, 37.4 inches below average for the season. For meteorological winter, December, January, February, that 3-month period for record keeping, that 10.5 inches would be the new #1 for record snowless meteorological winter. It's been warm recently, 57 for the high yesterday, 27 for the low. Both of those have been well above average. Last 5 days got to that 59 for a high on Monday, 19 degrees above average then. U.S. Drought Monitor had that Thursday update yesterday. There was some improvement in northern areas. We removed the drought in some areas up in northwest Wyoming, portions of the Bighorn Basin, Cody, hopping the state line towards Montana. Abnormally dry now after you had your moderate drought. For most other locations has been little to no change. Natrona County still has that severe drought going on for most of Natrona County, with a few areas in the red there. That's the extreme drought. So the second worst category of drought from the U.S. Drought Monitor, folks. Peak wind gust yesterday, 42 miles per hour. So we had that breeze. Some strong gusts yesterday. Today, breezy, but wind gusts around 20 or so miles per hour are expected for Casper today. Average highs 43, have us at 56. So a very warm end to meteorological winter with potentially our new #1 in Casper with record lowest snow. 28 tonight, 23 in Riverton, Worland near 22. Peak wind gusts around the same as you drive east towards Glen Rock, Douglas. You may notice some moderate winds. A brief and isolated strong gust is all I'm expecting today. In the basins out west, light winds for spots like Riverton, Thermopolis, Worland, Cody wind gusts up to 14 miles per hour, sure. For your forecast ahead today, the only thing really moving is the timestamp. Maybe a few fair weather clouds dropping overhead, saying hello. Fair to mostly sunny. And warm conditions to wrap up the month and season today. 28 tonight, so a little bit above average, but below freezing overnight. March starts off on a warm first impression, high near 61. Many of us will flirt with 60 on your thermometers tomorrow. 61 in Casper, southwest winds around 5 to 10. Now, next week, next month, I do see 2 solid chances for showers, some chances of snow in the mountains, and some mixes of rain turning to snow in some of our lowest elevations. 2 systems I'll potentially time here with still some uncertainty, but Monday into Tuesday, 53 to 33 for high on Tuesday, so I'll watch for some rain turning to mixes and potentially some snow for us. And another system about this time next week, Thursday into Friday.